what's going on, guys? I'm actually here at Brookfield Place at World Trade Center. I invited my drawing group here today, so lots going on. We're at Brookfield Place and we're going to be drawing here for a little bit, and then we're going to make our way to the Oculus. So I can't wait to share with you what I do today. With a scene like this, it's pretty easy to get overwhelmed and feel overwhelmed because it's so massive and there's so much complexity. So what I like to do is I like to zero in on one thing and focus on that. So we're going to do that here. So that's all the drawing for now. I think it's a good thing to think about, to consider when you're doing something like this, when it's really complex, all kinds of layers, there's all kinds of things happening, to simplify it, to really focus on one thing, one aspect of the drawing, and go for that and go after that.